Hello everyone. So today we will check that how to create the folder automatically. Like for example, in college we have many teachers. Like for let's say for example 50 teachers or 100 teachers, and if someone asks you that you create one folder for one teacher, so likewise manually you have to create 100 folders if 100 teachers are there. So how to do these things automatically? So here I have one Excel sheet. Like you all can see here the names of teachers. Okay. And I will write just one command here is equal to. Then I'm going to use double quotes MD. Then again space and again double quotes and then ampersand. And I'm going to select the first cell, that is F5, and then press enter. So you all can see MD space Sagar. And likewise, I'm going to just use the same formula for all these cell. So once you are done with the all these cell, just copy this and go to any folder like this folder, blank folder, empty folder, anywhere. Right click and just click on new file. Let's say demo, but not the text file. It will be batch file. So .bat and then press that you want to change your file extension, then yes. Okay, so now it is batch file, and just click right click and edit and just control V. So just paste that MD space, that command here only, and just click on file and save and close this. And now double click on it. So you all can see all the folders are created automatically. The same names in alphabetical order. Thank you everyone.